In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play local co-op games with anyone, anywhere on Steam. If you've ever wanted to enjoy a couch co-op game with a friend who isn't actually sitting next to you, Steam makes that possible with a feature called Remote Play Together. It's designed to let one person run a supported local multiplayer game while other players join remotely, almost like they're sharing the same screen and the same couch. To get started, install and launch a game that supports Remote Play Together. This is important because not every game on Steam includes this feature. The host player, meaning the person who owns the game, will need to have it installed and running on their computer. Once the game is open, Steam can use that session to stream gameplay to invited friends. Here's how it works. With Remote Play Together, only one player needs to own and run the game. After that, up to four players can usually join, and in some cases even more can participate if everyone has a strong and stable internet connection. That makes this a great option for party games, fighting games, platformers, and other local multiplayer titles that normally require everyone to be in the same room. When the game is running, open your Steam friends list and invite a friend to join. Steam allows you to send the invitation directly from there, which keeps the whole process simple and quick. Once your friend accepts, they'll connect through Remote Play Together and be able to join your session. Depending on the game, they may use a keyboard, mouse, or controller, so it's a good idea to make sure the input devices are ready before you begin. A helpful tip here is to make sure the host has the best possible connection, since that computer is doing the work of running and streaming the game. If performance feels choppy, try closing background apps or switching to a faster network. For the smoothest experience, using a controller can also make setup easier in many local co-op games. And that's really all there is to it. Launch a game with Remote Play Together support, invite a friend from your Steam friends list, and start playing together from anywhere. It's one of the easiest ways to turn local multiplayer into an online experience without needing everyone to buy the game separately. Thanks for watching and enjoy your next co-op session on Steam.